Founded in April 1958, Hind Rectifiers focuses on power semiconductors, electronic equipment, and railway systems, serving Indian Railways as its largest client. The company is now diversifying into defense and aerospace, securing certifications to boost future revenue. Shares surged 10% to 1,067 rupees and 90 paise on the NSE, with 3 lakh shares traded, well above the 31,000 average. They also secured a 200 crore rupees supply order from Indian Railways, set for FY26. With a 95% rise this year and 173% over the past 12 months, Hind Rectifiers is outperforming the Nifty's 31% increase. Follow us for updates.